Hey guys, look at those little faces. I haven't talked to you guys in a long time.
Yeah.
We had put together this thing where you guys can do some type of community service project, which your dad and I have already talked about. We got some ideas. And if you guys work really hard to keep up your good grades in school and behave, and don't give me that sad look, Jesse. And you guys listen to your mom and dad and your teachers. We're all going to look at how well you do on this project and how well you're doing in school, which I heard you guys are doing pretty darn good. Your mom and dad are so proud of you, and I'm proud of you too. But guess what I want to do for you guys?
What?
American Rotary wants to bring you guys up to Wisconsin to go to the EAA.
Oshkosh.
You guys don't even like airplanes. You don't like airplanes, do you?
I love them.
I love them. Especially Spitfires. I like Spitfires too.
I like
the best ones I've ever had.
All I heard was that I am the best person ever.
Yes. You excited?
It's an Airbus. Look at the tape. He's looking scared to me. He's looking for Trino. Hey, to go to the hotel.
Yeah, we landed, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
Wait, your family. What do you think, Jesse?
I think it's going to make us worse to get to the hotel. Guess what? I'm going to the hotel.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Home sweet home for a week.
All right.
Go to practice for him.
You look a little tired, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the airport we've already found an air museum.
Leave it to them.
What's your favorite?
Jesse, remember that was from Flight of the Phoenix?
Yeah.
That was your.
We have those kind of jets.
No, yeah, the 40, BCUs.
Wait, Mom. You're,
What do you
wait,
see?
Dad, that's the blue punch buggy that we have.
You're right. That's like Pop's car, huh?
That their kind of name, is that Wauwatosa? Wauwatosa?
Wow, check out the cool bomber chair.
Here we go. I think you're just giving me a hard time.
You're being a nut. Any excuse for cheese.
Oh, is this like sushi? You gotta like fill out your own menu?
Ready?
Oh, that's cool.
Hey boys, hey.
Look down and then on three.
Jesse, look at
1, 2, 3.
Jesse. Look at Jesse. He's like so like chillaxing over there. Like,
Yeah, this visit you'll be convinced to never have 3 boys.